Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today, I'm going to be looking at taxi accident claims, offering you some completely free advice, along with information on how you're able to speak to a law firm on a free, confidential and no obligation basis to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation. In terms of advice that we can give you to help support your claim for compensation, if you've been involved in an accident whilst travelling in a taxi, we recommend that you take the following steps. Take photographs at the scene of the accident, including, where possible, the registration numbers of all vehicles involved. Also collect all driver information and contact details of any witnesses to the accident, as statements may need to be taken from them at a later date. You should also keep track of all expenses incurred as a result of your accident, including travel expenses, medical costs, loss of earnings, and so on. Get your injuries assessed by a medical professional. They're able to advise you on how best to deal with your injuries, but you should also make a note of when this assessment took place, as it will make it much easier to track down records at a later date. If any of your belongings were damaged in the accident, you can make a note of these as well. You may be able to claim the cost of all of these back. Now, earlier on I mentioned that I'd tell you how to speak to someone from a law firm completely free of charge. And the way that you can do this is to reach out to legalexpert.co.uk on our free phone number, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Regardless of what you make down the pub thinks, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert when it comes to things like this. We'll talk through your accident with you and advise you on what we believe your options are. You should be prepared to answer the following questions. Where was the accident? When did the accident happen? How did the accident happen? What injuries did you sustain? Are you going to suffer any long-term health issues or lose earnings as a result of the accident? Now, if we believe that we're able to assist you, we may have to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are road traffic accident claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.